Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. ENCA has reported that Kelly Khumalo says that she's more than willing to appear in court if he is called to testify in the ongoing murder case of ex-soccer star boyfriend Senzo Meyiwa, who was tragically killed allegedly by intruders in her Fort Loris home back in 2014, October 26th, in front of herself, Kelly Khumalo, her sister Zandile Longetwala, and his best Tumelo. Kelly's lawyer Magdalene Munsemi is attending the trial on a watch brief and, according to the ENCA, has said to them that will depend on the prosecution. If the prosecution requires her as a witness in court, she is a witness in the matter and she is being compliant and cooperative in the matter, Musami said. So if she is required to be present in court, then she will be. The five men who are accused of the late soccer star Senzo Meyiwa's murder are back in court, you guys. Now, do tell me what you think. Engage with me in the comment section below. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also hit the bell for notifications so that you don't miss out on any uploads from me. Thank you so much. Bye.